Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install Lunar Client for Minecraft. Lunar Client has over 65 custom mods for your client, along with an FPS boost feature and cosmetics. The first thing you're going to do is go to the first link in the description, lunarclient.com. Now that we're here, we can go ahead and click the download button. This page shows different operating systems available for Lunar Client. We're going to be using Windows, so we'll click download for Windows. It will pop up in our downloads up here. It may say unverified download blocked. You can click on that and click download unverified file anyways. If you don't see it in your downloads in your browser, you can check your downloads folder and it should be there. I'm going to go ahead and drag this out to my desktop and run it. Now that we're here, we can go ahead and agree and it will start installing Lunar Client. Once it's finished installing, it will bring you to a login page. I'm already logged in, so I don't get that page. Down here, you can add multiple Minecraft accounts to Lunar Client. You can change your game version right here by clicking the small arrow. You can see every version of Minecraft that Lunar Client supports, which is every version of the game. You can go ahead and change the version to whatever you want, and you can enable Optifine or Fabric. We're going to go ahead and do 1.20.1. and enable Optifine and click launch game. Now we'll start to launch our game and I'll show you how the home page of Minecraft with Lunar Client looks. Now that we're on the home screen, at the bottom of the screen here we can see Lunar settings. We can go ahead and click on that, and then now we can see Lunar emotes, mods, and Lunar cosmetics. We're going to go into the mods page, and now we can see all the different mods that are available. We can enable some of these and they'll pop up on our screen right here. This is where they will be at in-game, so when you're in the game or in a world or a server, that's where they will show up. If you close out of this, you can move them around and adjust it to your liking. They also have gameplay mods like toggle sneak and other things like that, like crosshairs and motion blur and things like that. Cosmetics you can purchase from their store. They also have emotes that you can use in game. Only people that have Lunar Client can see your emotes and cosmetics, so not everybody can see them. That's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.